In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format cells and text in Smartsheet. We'll start on the Smartsheet homepage. This is your hub for everything you work on. From here, you can create something new if you need a fresh start, like a project, program, or process, or simply open something you already have. If you see the item you need under suggested, go ahead and use that quick shortcut. If not, switch over to all workspaces to browse everything you've been given access to. Workspaces are like folders for teams and projects, so they're a great way to find the right place to work. Click into the workspace you want, and then open the sheet you'll be formatting. Once your sheet loads in the grid view, look toward the top toolbar and open the Format menu. Formatting in Smartsheet applies to whatever you have selected, so before you change anything, highlight the cells, rows, or columns you want to update. A quick tip here. Selecting an entire column helps you keep headers and data consistent, and selecting multiple non-adjacent areas is helpful when you want a uniform look across different sections. Inside the format options, start with the basics, font and size. Choose a font that matches your team's style guidelines or simply improves readability. Adjust the size to make headers stand out or to keep dense tables compact. Keep in mind that larger fonts are great for high-level summaries, while smaller sizes help you fit more data on screen without excessive scrolling. Next, apply emphasis with bold, italic, and strike-through. Bold is perfect for headings or key milestones. Italic works well for notes, references, or secondary details. Strike-through is especially handy for marking items as completed while keeping the original text visible for context. Use these sparingly so the most important information remains easy to spot. You can also change the font color to draw attention or create a simple visual system. For example, use a darker color for primary text and a lighter or accent color for categories or status notes. When you choose colors, think about contrast and legibility. Darker text on a light background is usually easiest to read. If you're using color to indicate meaning, stay consistent across the sheet and consider pairing color with text labels so the purpose is always clear. When you're happy with the look, continue working as normal. Your formatting is applied instantly and will stay with those cells. That's it. You've navigated from home, opened the right place to work, and used the Format menu to control font, size, emphasis, and color so your sheet is clear, readable, and organized.